Press start.
Hello, I'm Shadow. And welcome to my new studio. We will learn about escrow. Escrow is a legal concept describing a financial instrument whereby an asset or escrow money is held by a third party on behalf of two other parties that are in the process of completing a transaction. To understand about the process, escrow is a process used when two parties are in the process of completing a transaction, and there is uncertainty over whether one party or another will be able to fulfill their obligations. They include internet transactions, banking, intellectual property, real estate, mergers and acquisitions, law and many more. Any company that can sell goods internationally, it requires assurance that it will receive payment when the goods reach their destination. For example, an escrow account can be used for the sale of a house. Also, stocks are often issued in escrow. The shareholder is the real owner of the stock. The shareholder has limited rights when it comes to disposal of the stock. For example, executives who receive stock as a bonus to their compensation often must wait for an escrow period to pass before they can sell the stock. So that's how the escrow works. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.